everyone, if you're new here, this is Riya Kanji. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this easy Diwali festive look. As you all know, Diwali is coming very soon. So without much talking, let's get into the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. At first, I'm taking this Benefit brow and filling in my brows. I'm just trying to give it a shape with the help of an angular brush and brushing it well to blend the colors. To stay my brow hair in place, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel in the shade of dark brown. To clean up the borders, I'm using Wet n Wild concealer with a flat brush. Then I'm softening the edges and concealing my crease as well. For today's look, I am taking this Revolution Patricia Bright Shadow Palette. At first, I am taking this yellow shade, which is Vitamin C, with a blending brush and defining my crease. Then I am taking a brow shade, Modelly, with a small brush and applying it to my inner and outer V and blend it well with the Vitamin C, then slightly joining two corners with the crease. Then I'm taking honey pot and applying it to the middle of my eyelid, and I'm using my finger to get more pigmentation. Next, I'm taking back one more Modelly to soften the edges. Here I'm taking this plum eye pencil and applying it to my waterline and lash line as well. Also, I'm using this pencil for my upper lash line. Then I'm using a black shadow and tight line my bottom lash line so that my kajal won't smudge. Finally, I'm curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara, which is Maybelline the Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. I'm applying it to my top and bottom lashes. Here I'm creating a wing with this Sugar Cosmetics Double Matte Eyeliner and applying false lashes. And that's it for today's eyes. For the face, I'm using NYX Professional Away with Glow Strobing Cream so that my makeup looks glowing from inside. Then I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Next, I'm taking Huda Beauty Fox Filtered Foundation. I'm mixing a pump of NYX Professional Away with Glow Strobing Cream to get extra glowing to my base, and then blending it well with a wet sponge. I'm taking Maybelline Razor Concealer and applying those areas where I want to highlight on my face. Then I'm blending it well with the same sponge. To set all this foundation and concealer, I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. To define my face, I'm applying Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade 01. For blush, I'm using Sugar Mini Blush in the shade of 01 and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. Here I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and applying it to the highest point on my face. And with a small brush, I'm applying it inner corner of my eyes and brow bone. And last but not the least, I'm applying SQ lipstick. You can go with red lipstick as well. It will look stunning, but today I'm going with this nude lipstick. And that's it for today's makeup. Here's the final look, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like, share this video with your friends and family. Please let me know your thought by commenting down below, and also let me know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in a brand new video soon. I love you all. Bye guys.